welcome to our YouTube channel Raisar Maths Classes. I, your friend Priyansh Rai, welcome all the viewers and subscribers to our channel. In today's video, we are going to continue the last part of our chapter, that is metals and non-metal, with the last topic, ion compositions. Now, what we have learned in all our previous videos. So we have discussed chemical and physical properties of metal and non-metal, and how to differentiate it, means malleability, ductility, and etc. And in this video, what we are going to learn, the properties and the formation of ionic compound, what are ions, and atomic numbers. Let's start with the topic ions. What are ions? Ions are of two types. Basically, if a compound or any element contains charge, you can say that it has ions. There are two type of ions, or you can say that charge, cations and anions. Cations are categorized as the positive charges and anions are categorized as the negative charges. The elements which are cations, or you can say that it has positive charge, example magnesium and calcium, and anions means the negative charge are of two type, means calcium and chlorine. The second topic is ionic compound. What are ionic compounds? So we are going to continue this topic on the basis of its formation and its properties. So starting with the formation part, here you can see that it is written like that: the compounds are formed by given and take relation between the elements shown as. Let's take an example of sodium. What is the atomic number of sodium? You have to learn about 20 to 30 element atomic number thoroughly. So sodium having atomic number 11. So you have learned in class 9 that how we are going to categorize, like the categorization of the number according to the its ionic cell wall. So sodium is going to be categorized like 2:8:1, means it is having 11. 2 plus 8 is 10 plus 1 is 11. We are going to categorize like this, or we can write like this: the Na positive plus E negative, means it is going to reduce its one element or electrons, and we have to make sodium chloride, that is NaCl. So we have taken Na means sodium, and we have to take another part, that is chloride. So chloride has the atomic number 17, means we have to write like 2:8:7. And the second we are having chlorine, it has atomic number of 18, we have to write 2:8:8. And this is chloride ion. Now what we get in the result, we have NaCl with 7 electrons in its outer wall. Na means sodium has one extra element. It gives to chlorine to form chlorine anion. So we have chlorine negative charge, means 2:8:8 configuration. So we get our proper sodium chloride by this formation. So you can clear like that: the ionic compounds are formed by the relation of giving and taking the electrons and protons. So what are their properties? We have to write the answer, means ionic compounds properties are solid in nature and crystal, made up of positive and negative ions. You have seen in this, we have Na a positive charge and chlorine as a negative charge. Soluble in water and insoluble in solvents, like kerosene and petroleum are the good example of solvents. Good conductor of electricity in aqueous solution and molten state, do not conduct electricity means in molten state, you can say like in liquid and aqueous state it conducts electricity, but not in the solid state. High melting and boiling point are its property. Now the last topic of this chapter is atomic number. So you have to learn this table. It is up to 60, but I said like that you have to learn up to 30 thoroughly, so you get easier to face the problems asked in your exam. So we have completed our all this part, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe with your friend, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We are providing online classes there also. So till then, thank you and have a wonderful day.
Sorry, it's DJ.